Unit 1, Exercise 1.
1. Hello, I'm Adam. 2.
Hello, my name's Bonnie.
3. Hello, my name's Chris.
Unit 1, Exercise 2.
1. I'm Alex. What's your name?
Belle.
2.
My name's Kate. What's your name?
Charlie. 3. I'm Harry. What's your name? My name's Alfie.
Unit 1, Exercise 3.
1.
Carl, this is Liliana Moretti.
Hello, Liliana. My name's Carl Eriksson.
Hello, Carl. Nice to meet you.
2.
Ruby, this is Hussein Malouf.
Hello, Hussein. Nice to meet you.
And you?
3.
Liliana, this is Ruby. Ruby, this is Liliana.
Hello, Ruby. I'm Liliana Moretti.
Hello, I'm Ruby Harrison.
Nice to meet you.
And you?
Unit 1, Exercise 5.
1.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
Fine, thanks, Ella. And you?
I'm okay, thank you.
2.
Hello, Michael. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. And you?
3.
Hi, Alice. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Robert. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Unit 1, Exercise 8.
4. 8. 1. 9. 3. 5. 10. 2. 7. 6.
Unit 1, Exercise 10.
Restaurants. Students. Photographs. Hotels. Taxis. Footballs. Hospitals. Pizzas. Coffees. Teachers. Is. Buses. Sandwiches. Houses.
Unit 1, Exercise 11.
1. Good morning.
Good morning.
2. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
3.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
4. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Unit 1, Exercise 12.
1.
What a lovely day today.
It is, isn't it?
2.
Bye. See you later.
Yes, after school.
3.
Have a nice day.
And you?
4.
A cup of tea, please.
Certainly.
5.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
6.
Sleep well.
Good night.
Unit 2, Exercise 2.
Spain, France, China, Egypt, England, Russia, Japan, Brazil, Hungary, United States, Australia.
Unit 2, Exercise 4.
A,
Her name's Rosalie.
B,
His name's Laszlo.
C,
His name's Yong.
D.
Her name's Tatiana.
Unit 2, Exercise 5.
A,
He's Simon.
B,
She's Hayley.
C,
He's Kevin.
D.
She's Karima.
Unit 2, Exercise 6. 1.
His name's Yong. He's from China.
2.
Her name's Hayley. She's from Australia.
3.
Her name's Karima. She's from Egypt.
4.
His name's Kevin. He's from the United States.
5.
Her name's Rosalie. She's from Brazil.
6.
His name's Simon. He's from England.
7.
Her name's Tatiana. She's from Russia.
8.
His name's Laszlo. He's from Hungary.
Unit 2, Exercise 7.
1.
What's her name?
Her name's Carla.
2.
Where's she from?
She's from Italy.
3.
What's his name?
His name's David.
4.
Where's he from?
He's from England.